Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways. We have a giveaway for you in today's video, as well as we are unboxing the Causebox. So like I said, we will be giving one of the items away in here. I don't know which one yet. I don't even know what's in here yet, so I cannot wait to find out what's in here. And we're going to give away one of the items to one of you. My giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're going to need to know. I'm going to set this down. It's a pretty heavy box. So I love Causebox because everything is ethically made. Everything is sourced with intent. It gives, everything they do has to give, kind of back to the environment, or give work to these artisans in really underdeveloped countries, and I just love it. They're beautiful, mission delivered items. Love. So it does retail for $54.95 a quarter. And you can pay for a year in advance, and then your shipping is included with that cost. I did want to let you know really quick, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of February, it is the Hip Dot C-Note palette. I'll put a link for this in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video that talks about how to enter this one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. I do them all the time here. Some of you guys have dubbed me the queen of giveaways, and I'll happily take that title. So make sure to check the description box for all the info, because you're gonna need to know what to do in the description box for our giveaway in today's video too. As far as what I have on my eyes today, I'm working on a project from Kettle Cosmetics, and it is their Smolder eyeshadow. It shifts. It's one of their jewel tones. Shifts from pink to green. It's just crazy, and I love them. I picked up a couple of them when they had their last big sale. I mean, just look at the intensity. That's one swipe. Love, love, love Kettle Cosmetics. So it always comes with a little magazine. Obviously, this is their winter box. And in here, it talks about the different prices and kind of what you could have chosen from. So you could have gotten a Thread and Supply Cozy Cloud Wrap. This does retail for $115. You guys, it's made with 100% recycled polyester. It's estimated that 4,690,000 water bottles derived from landfills help these. It's equivalent to savings of 649,000 pounds of carbon dioxide emissions. It's estimated to have 434,000 liters of water saved. With its downright cashmere feel, you probably would never guess that this wrap is made from recycled plastic water bottles. But it is. This cloud soft sweater pairs with socially distant dinner dates and cozy nights in. Or you could have gotten the Rose and Fitzgerald Brushed Gold Kettle, retails for $98. It's a stove top statement, and your new pour over coffee BFF, or in my case, I do it over tea. Rose and Fitzgerald blends age-old craft with a simplistic and contemporary aesthetic, creating authentic quality pieces with handmade charm 300 artisans were employed in manufacturing this kettle. So here's the box. I did get the kettle. And it says, by employing artisans and cooperatives, we aim to break the cycle of poverty to create sustainable job opportunities, in merging beautiful traditions and methodology with our contemporary style. We hope to create unique goods that inspire feelings of nostalgia and wanderlust. Tell us a story of far, rare talent and beauty from afar. So I had a deep thought the other day. Here's my deep thought of the day. That, and it kind of goes along with all this whole Causebox thing, that, you know how the virus went around and basically you came in contact with somebody, who came in contact with somebody, who came in contact with somebody, yada, yada, down the line. And it all started with basically one person and it went around the world. What if we could do that same thing with sharing love to one another? Sharing happiness, sharing good deeds, doing random acts of kindness. And I wonder if we all did a little more of that and it spread to the next person, and to the next person, and to the next person. What a better world we would all live in. That's just my deep thought of the day. So that's my goal this year, is more random acts of kindness, being nicer to other people, being kinder to other people, and loving one another. So it's not a very big pot. I guess I was expecting it to be a little bit more. I love this kind of chic, different handle. I think that it is really kind of cool. There's the inside. So this is cool. The next item that you could have gotten was Activated Eco Reusable Silicone Baking Sheets, retailing for $18. It's for budding bakeries and pastry professionals alike. Make cleanup easy with these silicone baking sheets and say goodbye to single-use aluminum foil or parchment paper. It's 100% food-grade BPA-free silicone, and it saves an average of 18 rolls of baking paper per year. I guess it all depends on how much you actually bake. Or you could have gotten the Boone Supply Reusable Zip Pouches, retailing for $22. Take a little for the road with these reusable zip pouches in 5 different sizes. Not only are they excellent sustainable swap, both supply and give big time with a unique business model. It replaces more than 300 single-use bags per piece for a total of 1,500 single-use bags. 40% of every order with Boone Supply supports a fundraiser of your choice. So I did get the Ziploc bags. I mean, think about how, if you pack a lunch for your kids, how many times do you put like little fruit, carrots, chips, sandwiches, and then they just get thrown in the trash. So I love this idea. Love it. So for your third item everybody got was the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. It's a $30 value. Gentle and refreshing, this isn't your average toner. It's made with extracts like witch hazel, truffle, and rosemary. This toner removes bacteria and cleanses your skin naturally. It is created with Mediterranean botanical extracts sourced in Umbria, Italy. It is vegan and cruelty-free. I have used this before and really, really liked it. So for number 4, you could have gotten one of 3 choices. You could have gotten from True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish, retails for $34. In this polish, the coffee beans tighten and gently exfoliate, while the moringa oil delays the signs of aging. True Moringa serves over 5,000 small families. They've planted over 2 million trees. They've increased a farmer's income by 10%. From the Sanctuary Project is Thick Gold Hoops, retailing for $38. It spruces up your Zoom call look. Sanctuary Project is a nonprofit social enterprise providing employment for survivors of trafficking, violence, and addiction. They employ 25 survivors. 100% of Sanctuary Project sales go directly to providing more job opportunities and job training to survivors. Or you could have gotten from Zeal Living Marble Geocoasters, $42 value. It is a sophisticated coaster set that pairs with coffee or cocktail. Zeal Living connects African artisans and with shoppers around the world. Zeal Living sustainably employs 9,000 artisans in 17 African countries. These coasters were made by 60% of female workforce. And I'm happy that I got these, especially with everything that Sanctuary Project does with helping survivors of the human trafficking and violence. I absolutely love. So here are what the earrings look like. For number 5, you could have gotten the Maggie's Organic Heathered Slouchy Socks, $25 value. You've probably heard of fair trade, but Maggie Organics takes it to a whole new level. Made with cotton, these heathered slouchy socks fit like a hug for your feet, soft yet snug with increased elasticity. And then why organic? Cotton is grown on 3 to 5% of the world's cultivated land, and yet uses nearly 10% of the world's pesticides and 25% of the world's insecticides. So that's why they go all organic. Or you could have gotten from Ettitude the Travel Beauty Pillowcase, retailing for $25. And this bamboo-based pillowcase might feel more silky than silk itself, minimal, sophisticated, and intentionally designed. Ettitude elevates sustainable living with a dash of luxury. Made from 100% bamboo, Ettitude's clean bamboo is made in a closed-loop system that reuses 98% of its water in future production cycles. And I did get the pillowcase. And just for when you travel and you're not sticking your head all night long on somebody else's pillow. Yeah, love this. It's so soft, you guys. It's incredibly soft. So whenever we do get to travel again, there you go. So, and then in option 6, you could have gotten, this is our last option, that you could have gotten the Idol Company Yearly Planner, retailing for $32, and feeling organized and inspired. I know I have felt really trying to get myself more organized lately. Ready to take on 2021. Start the year with some joy through pretty design details and thoughtful layouts. It is woman-owned and operated. It swaps biodegradable materials for plastic. People who design it also run the company. Or you could have gotten from Soon Skincare. I've gotten some amazing masks from Soon before. These are the Peony foot masks, retailing for $45. Give your toes some much needed TLC. Ingredients like licorice and ginger root smooth and spoil your feet, helping to restore and nourish your soles. Soon is a Korean. It means soon in Korean means smooth and pure. It is vegan and cruelty free. So I did get the masks, and there are 5 different masks in here. If you guys don't know, I do masking review series where I try on different masks, let you know what I think. So be on the lookout for these and an upcoming masking review that I'm doing of my Petties, my feet. So the retail of the box is $284. You only spent $54 on it. Secret word, feet. So because I got 5 of these in here, let's give away one of these to one of you guys. I'm happy to do that. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to only fill it out once, and make sure don't fill it out multiple times, or that'll get you disqualified. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed, and make sure to put that secret word on the Google form link. Let's have this giveaway go through March 14th. Then on March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, we will go ahead and do our spin the wheel, which I just did for the last month's giveaway. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure to do so to see if you won or not on the last month's. Like I said, I do giveaways all the time. This giveaway is open internationally, although I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, lost in transit, damage, customs, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that its giveaways are legal in your country. You can get 2 extra bonus entries, and when you get the extra bonus entries, I will go ahead and put those in for you. And you get those by follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you. And you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Do not leave the secret word comment in the comment section down below, or your comment will be deleted and that'll disqualify you from the giveaway too. So if you have not joined us, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun group here. Make sure that your notifications are turned on so you know when we do upload a new video. That way you do know when we do giveaways, which we do all the time. And if you are watching this on a mobile device, make sure that your settings are marked to receive all notifications from YouTube. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.